In these inverse trig problems, we are looking to evaluate. So we are talking about kind of these trig pieces within trig pieces. Sometimes they relate to our special triangles, and sometimes they don't. So when I see values like this, they don't have anything to do with our special triangles. So basically what this inside is, this whole inside is going to help us draw a triangle. We're going to create our own triangles is really what's going to happen from the inside. And then because we're talking about an arc or an inverse, we're limited to these certain sections. So inverse sine kind of stays from here to here. Cosine I have to draw in here. Tangents I'm going to have to be drawing here. So if I'm going to build a triangle, and I'm going to be building a triangle based off of this given information that it's positive, so cosine is going to be positive in this quadrant. And there's our angle, so cosine is going to be 3, 4. And then I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem to figure out what my missing side is, because at some point, so basically this is done. All this was used is to create this triangle. That's it. So now we're really just doing tangent of theta is really what we're looking to do. But the thing is, for tangent, I need this piece, I need opposite over adjacent. So I need to do 3 squared plus, we'll call that a y value, y squared equals 4 squared. So 9 plus y squared equals 16. Subtract our 9, y squared is going to give us a 7. So y is going to be the square root of 7. And it's going to be positive because we're going up. Alright, so now I have everything we need. So tangent of theta is going to equal root 7 over 3. And that's it. And then on this one, same thing. This piece on the inside is going to help us draw our triangle. We're talking about sine being negative. So sine being negative is going to force us to draw our triangle down here. And theta's there. And so we're going to have opposite over hypotenuse, negative 3, 5, which is fantastic because this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So that's going to be a 4. So again, I'm done with that. We're really doing secant of theta. Now, secant of theta I really think of as cosine of theta, and then I'm going to figure out that value and then just flip it around, do the reciprocal. So cosine is going to be 4/5, which makes secant 5/4. Okay, so the inside builds your triangle, and then you just evaluate from there. All right, so that's part 1. We'll do a little bit more challenging ones on part 2.